Responsive blogger theme. Responsive blogger theme. Oh, if you are trying to make your blogger theme responsive, please watch this video till the end. Hello guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I want to become the second PewDiePie in the world. However, without your support, it won't be possible for me. Please subscribe, Sir Chogyal. We are going to make a responsive blogger theme which has the sidebar at the right. Please follow the instruction very properly. Go to theme and choose picture window as your theme. For mobile theme, you can choose to show desktop theme only. Now click on customize and go to layout. For layout body, you can choose this right sidebar, and for footer, you can choose any layout from here. You can see here my blog post is very clumsy. Please don't worry about this. This is gonna fix after making my blogger theme responsive. Go to theme and click on edit HTML. Replace this code with the new code. You will find the link to the code in the description box below. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and search for this code. Now select the code as shown here and replace with a new code. You will find here the blogger theme has become fully responsive. In the layout part, Navbar has a little bit shifted to the right. In order to fix this, we are going to edit HTML again. Search for Navbar and select all this code. Right click on this code, click on cut and paste under header. Finally, we have finished making the blogger theme responsive, specifically which has got the sidebar at the right. Thanks for watching and goodbye until next time.